Students, Assalamu alaikum. Yesterday or in my previous lecture, you find out the standard deviation by the shortcut method. Now today we are going to find out standard deviation of the monthly income of 5 persons as mentioned in the table by the step deviation method. Dear students, हमारे पास अगर ये क्वेश्चन आपके पास हो कि the monthly income of 5 persons are stated as below, तो सीरियल नंबर, तो इधर सीरियल नंबर 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, the monthly income in rupees, of these 5 persons are 500, 700, 1000, 1500 and 1300. These are the monthly income of these 5 persons. Now you make a table, dear students. Now when you go through its solution, you first make a table. It is the solution of this very problem. First you write here the serial number. Serial number is 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Then the monthly income, which was already mentioned in this question. Monthly income is 500, 700, 1000, 1500 and 1300. 1500 and 1300. Now, the deviation from assumed average. What is deviation? I have already told you that deviation is the difference. And here, deviation from assumed average. Here, the assumed mean is 1000. We take this assumed mean 1000. And deviation is from assumed average. Deviation is from assumed average. Assumed average, or this dx is equal to x minus a. Now this x minus a means 500 minus 1000, that is equal to minus 500. 700 minus 1000, that is equal to minus 300. 1000 minus 1000, that is equal to 0. 1500 minus 1000, that is equal to 500. 1300 minus 1000, that is equal to 300. And dear students, this is the summation of dx. Now or when we suppose to find the standard deviation by step deviation method, we also find here from this table dx dash, that is equal to dx upon c. You know here that c is the common factor. C is common factor. C is common factor, and dx dash or step deviation. dx dash is here step deviation. Dear students, here dx dash is equal to c is here, c is 100. C is 100 and C is 100. Now we find dx. What is dx? Minus 500 by 100 minus 500 by 100, that is equal to minus 5. Minus 300 upon 100, that is equal to minus 3, because 0, 2, 0, 2, 0 will be cancelled for, and this 0 upon 0 and this 0 upon 100 is equal to 0. So dear students, and this 500 upon 100, that is equal to 5, is equal to 5, because 5 upon 1 is equal to 5. 300 upon 100, that is equal to 3 upon 1 is equal to 3. So dear students, this summation of dx bar, or the summation of step deviation, is equal to minus plus minus 5 minus 3 minus 8, minus 8 plus 8, that is equal to 0. So summation of dx dash is equal to 0. Now you find dx dash square. This dx dash square is equal to 5 5 are 25, 3 3s are 9, 0 0 0, 5 5 25, 3 3s are 9. And this summation of dx dash square is equal to 68. 68. Now dear students, you are supposed to find here, to find the standard deviation, that can be denoted by this sigma, and its formula is equal to summation of dx dash square upon n minus summation of dx bar upon n square into c, and this is equal to, you can see that this is equal to sigma dx square is equal to 68 upon n minus 5. These are because the number of the persons are equal to 5, so upon 5 minus this dx dash upon square is, this square is 0 ka square, 0 upon 5 ka square into c is 100. So dear students, it is equal to square root of 68 upon 5, that is equal to 13.6, and this 0 upon 5 is equal to 0, and 0 or 0 square is also equal to 0 into 100. So dear students, this is equal to 68.78. So dear students, this is the standard deviation. So, or hence we can say that the standard deviation by the step deviation method are equal to, therefore standard deviation or hence standard deviation, which can be denoted by this sigma, are equal to 368.78. Dear students, these are the three methods for which we have to calculate the standard deviation, and I hope that you understand it fully. And my request is that you all may stay home and stay safe, because this in this crucial time of this COVID-19 And in my next lecture, we inshallah talk about the Lorentz curve. Till then, thank you very much.